Hello friends, this is a model of rocket launching using hydraulics. To assemble this model we have used cardboard box, paper board, sun board, paint, LED, cotton, connecting wires, syringe 2 numbers, one fixed inside, one as a remote, switch 9-volt battery connected at the back. Now let's see the working. Now as soon as we press the button, you can see here light glows, and when you press the syringe, the rocket lifts up. Once you pull back, it comes back. Now you can see it is going up. If you pull back, that goes down. In this way, hydraulic rocket launching is used. This is for demonstration purpose. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.